Hello students, a very warm welcome to yet another exciting journey of learning English phonetics. I hope you all are in the pink of your health. Well, before we start our lesson today, let's continue with the warming up activity. It's a very simple activity which you do it every day. I'm sure you will like it. So, for the warming up activity, you'll all have to stand straight. This is a jumping activity. So with your hands at your side and your feet close together, then bend down a little for jumping. So when your hands are here and the feet is closed, just bend down and try to jump. And when you jump, make sure your hands go up in the air and your feet goes wide apart as your shoulder width. So do this 5 times at my count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you all ready? Yes. So stand straight, side arms, jump. 1. So now in this position, your feet is apart and your arms are up in the air. 2. Come back to normal position. 3. Jump. 4. Come back to normal position. 5. Jump. 6. Come back to normal position. Very good, dear children. I hope you like this warming up activity. Now it's time for the pearl of wisdom, the most important part of our lesson. Let's see what is the thought that I have got for you today. The thought that I have got for you today is written by Mother Teresa. So the thought is like this. It says, whenever you meet someone, wear a smile. Greet them with a smile, because smile is the beginning of love. So what do I mean by this thought? Wearing a smile in front of people whom we don't know, or wearing a smile in front of people who annoy us every day? Well, that's a challenge. I mean to wear a smile or meet each other with a smile. So whenever you meet someone new, you should smile and respond. And then even at home, when you are angry at someone or when you are not in a good mood, try to avoid this unnecessary irritation with a smile. And then you shall see the love within you will spring up and everywhere happiness will spread. You will forget about the irritation. So kids, I hope you like the pearl of wisdom and you shall apply this in your lives. So students, let's continue to read a short story on the blackboard and see how many blends are there in these sentences. So are you all ready? Yes. So the shape of the pond is round. There is a frog. The frog likes to jump into the pond. Look at the clouds. I see a tree outside. There is a crow on the tree. I like to play with the blocks. I'm scared of the alligator in the pond. So here, if you see, this is a short paragraph which has a number of blends. Now we should identify the blend. Can you tell me which blend, which word has a blend? Yes. The shape. The shape has which blend? It has SH. And then round there is a frog. The frog likes to jump into the pond. Look at the clouds. See there, here. It has CL as its blend. I see a tree outside. There is a crow on the tree. I like to play with the blocks. Blocks. So the blend here is BL. And then I'm scared of alligator. So here SC. So children, we saw 4 words with 4 blends. So today we shall learn the blend SH, we shall learn the blend SC, and then other than that we are going to learn the blend CR and PL. Instead of these two, we are going to learn CR and PL. PL and CR. Okay? So let's continue and quickly learn the new words. Kids, to begin with, let's learn the blends with the letters SH. So if you see, SH is in the initial stage, or it is in the starting of the word. So first word, shade. What is it? Shade. Repeat after me once. Shade. So here SH, shh. The sound is shh. The sound of A is A, D, so that's shade. Okay. Next, the word is shape. 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 Repeat after me. Shape. Repeat again after me. Shape. So look at the blends and the sound. Sh, A, P. Shape. Next, you have the word shadow. Repeat the word after me. Shadow. Shadow. Yes. So the sound is sh, a, d, o. Shadow. Combine everything and then say the word sh, a, d, o. Shadow. Very good. Next word, sharp. It is SHARP. Sharp. Can you think of any other word like this? Yes, you are right. You can think of SHARK. Sharp. Right? So how do you pronounce this? P. Sharp. Repeat again. P. Sharp. Next, similarly, Shark. Shark. Repeat again. Shark. Shark. This is the word. Next, the last one. It is shampoo. What is it? Shampoo. So how do you write this? How do you pronounce this? This is shampoo. Okay, that's shampoo. 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 So children, now it's time for the next set of words with the blend PL. So what is the sound? It's pl. Okay, repeat again, pl. Now the first word, it says pl, a, s. So it's places. Repeat again, places. One more time, places. So that's pl, aces. Aces. Next, plug. Plug. Repeat again, plug. Plug. Next, plug. Plus. Repeat, plug. plus. Next, play. Pl, a. Pl, a. Play. So these are the 4 words. Now let's look at the last word. This is please. Repeat. It is please. Pl, e, s. Please. Pl, e, s. Please. So I hope you understood the sound PL. Okay? It's time for us to look at the next sound. So students, the next blend is SC. Scratch. First word is scratch. So here the blend of S and C is sk. Repeat, sk. Repeat, sk. Yes. Now if you look at the word sk, r, a, ch, scratch, all together. Okay. Next one, scarf. It's here, sk, a, r, f, f. So it makes scarf. What does it make? Scarf. Next, scream. SC. Sk, re, scream. So that's eam. The sound of the vowel E is taken up here. Okay. So that is scream. Next, last one. Not last but the least. So it is sk, ri, b, l. Scribble. Repeat the word. Scribble. Repeat the word. Scribble. See here. Sk, ri, b, l. Scribble. Next, score. The last word is score. That is sk, o, r. Score. Sk, o, r. Score. I hope you've understood all the words written here on the blackboard. Let's move on to the next blend. So kids, the last blend. What is this? CR. And how do you pronounce this? It's kr. Repeat after me. It's kr. Kr. Yes. Now look at the word kr, I. Cry. What is the sound of Y? I. So that is cry. Next one, crane. Kr, a, n. Crane. Look at the word crane. Repeat it again. Crane. Next, cricket. That's kr, e, k, et. Cricket. Repeat the word cricket. One more time. Cricket. Good. Next, kr, a, z. Crazy. Repeat, crazy. Repeat one more time. Kr, a, z. Crazy. Next word, crisp. That's kr, e, sp. Crisp. That's kr, e, sp. Crisp. So kids, I hope you all have understood all the 4 blends and their related words. It's time for us now to recall whatever we have learnt. So kids, here are some words and there are the blends given. So you are going to read the word, identify the blend in that word and circle the blend, or identify the blend here and then you're going to circle it. Okay? So which is the first word? Yes, you are right. It's shade. And what is the blend? Sh. Where is the blend written here? Over here. Yes. So you are going to circle like this. Next one, shrine. What is the blend? It is SH. Shh. So where is the blend here? Oh, we don't have the blend over here. So let's write it here. So now, which is the blend? This one. Very good. Next, what is the word? Player. Which is the blend here? Which is the blend? Yes, PL. So here, where is PL? It's over here. Circle this. Next, the word is crane. Which is the blend here? Can you tell me which is the blend here, beta? Yes, it is CR. Can you identify CR here? Yes. So you will circle it. Next, shark. Shark, which is the blend here? Yes, it is SH. So where is SH in this group? Yes, you are going to circle it. Next, crane. Which is the blend here? CR, crane. So which is the blend here which is matching to that word? Yes, it is CR. So good. So children, a very nice attempt to solve this. Let's move on to the next part of our lesson, that is the concluding activity. Kids, as a part of the concluding activity, we need to do this activity, that is frame sentences. Now what are you going to frame sentences of? We are going to see that the word with the blend exists in the sentence. So while you frame the sentence, make sure the word with the blend is there. Are you all ready? So we learned how many blends today? Yes, the first one is SH. So you are going to frame a sentence. Then we learned PL. Third one, we learned SC. Then finally, we learned CR. Okay? So let's frame the sentences. Can you tell me any 4 sentences? Yes? Yes, for the first one, the big plane flew at night. For which one can we add this? That is for big plane. Plane has a blend pl. So where can I add this? Here. So I'll write it here. The big plane flew at night. Next one is SH. Yes, this is very easy. You can think of any one sentence. Yes? Yes, you're right. The pair of shoes are new. Just write the pair of shoes are new. Next you have SC. Yes, what do you think the word can come for SC? Yes, pack the scarf, pack the scarf in the box. Then the last one, SC is done. The last one is CR. Yes. Can you think of any sentence? Yeah. The fresh cream is in the refrigerator. Okay, so this is the word. So kids, I hope you all have understood the lesson, understood the blends and learned how to frame sentences. So let me quickly conclude the lesson with the mind map, and then you are all going to watch the video, re-watch the video again and again in order to gain clarity. So kids, what did we learn today? We learned the consonant blends PL, SC, SH and CR, and the words related to these four blends are like this. For PL, plain, plus, plaster, plates. For SC, screw, scratch, scare, score. SH, shine, shape, shampoo, show. CR, cry, cricket, crazy, crane. So kids, I hope you all have enjoyed the lesson. We shall meet again in the next week with a new video with the new blends. Until then, you all take care and happy learning.